We have also been talking about love. We have talked about how important it is to show love to one another and how love makes us feel. We enjoy reading the story What Colour Is Love by Linda Strachan. I would like to perform it for you now. There are lots of different animals in this story. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the show. One day, Small, Smooth and Grey was wandering through the jungle. She had a very important question playing on her mind.
What colour is love?
Asked Small, Smooth and Grey. She came across her old wrinkly granddad.
Could it be green?
She asked her old wrinkly granddad.
I don't know if that's true. The grass is green, so love might be blue.
Small, Smooth and Grey continued searching for the answer and came across Tiger.
What colour is love?
Asked Small, Smooth and Grey.
Could it be blue?
Tiger turned over and rolled on his back.
I kept talking after my dad. The sky is blue. Yellow.
She moved along and found Lion.
What colour is love?
Asked Small, Smooth and Grey.
Could it be yellow?
Lion opened a knife, too tired to play. He yawned and he said,
This hot sun is yellow. Isn't love red? Maybe I'll check. Parrots. What colour is love?
Asked Small, Smooth and Grey.
Could it be red?
Parrot looked down from his perch in a tree.
Red is for flowers, but love is so bright. It's really quite simple. Love must be white.
She soon came across Zebra.
What colour is love?
Asked Small, Smooth and Grey.
Could it be white? No, love isn't white.
Said Zebra.
No, I think love is so wonderful. It must be pink.
Next, Small, Smooth and Grey found the perfect person to ask, the flamingos.
What colour is love?
Asked Small, Smooth and Grey.
Could it be pink? Pink!
Squeaked Flamingo.
No, that can't be right. Love should be orange like the sunset at night.
Tired and exhausted at the end of the day.
I know who to ask.
Said Small, Smooth and Grey. She went to the water and dipped in her toe. She said to her mother,
Does anybody know? I tried all the colours, from the grass to the flowers, from the sky to the clouds, to the sun up above, but no one can tell me the colour of love. What colour is love? I'll tell you